What is up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be talking about breakfast ideas for people just starting a vegan diet. Now, I got asked this question yesterday, Clint, what's a good breakfast idea? And I've been on this lifestyle for 6 years. A lot of people say you can't do this longer than a couple of years without falling apart. I've been on it for 6 years and I feel better and better the longer I'm on it. So, throughout the years, I've alternated different breakfasts, and the first one that I really got into the groove of whenever I started this lifestyle is oatmeal and berries. So I would just cook up some oatmeal through like apples, cinnamon, dates, sort of mixed berries and stuff like that. I would use like maybe like a bit of maple syrup on that, or like a bit of like sugar. And this is what I would have along my initial journey. You can throw in nuts and stuff like that. If it doesn't cause you issues, and that was fantastic. So that's something a lot of people can do. However, some people don't like oatmeal, and some people find that whenever they eat oatmeal, it's like really heavy on their system, and they feel like tired and sluggish. And I went through a phase where I just started drinking lots of smoothies, and that's the next recommendation: smoothies. Now, I love smoothies because you can pack in the bananas, the dates, the mixed berries. You can add spinach and kale and stuff like that. It's really hydrating, and for me it allows me to pack in a lot of calories into the foods that I eat. I'm a big boy. I like to eat over 2,500 calories a day. I walk around 10 miles a day, so I need my calories, you know, and smoothies are just fantastic. So that's the next suggestion. The third suggestion is your run-of-the-mill sort of like cereal, like cornflakes or Weetabix. Just make sure the cereal is actually vegan. Some cereals aren't. And swap out cow milk for like almond milk, rice milk, oat milk, hemp milk. So many different types of milk that we don't need to go to the udders. We don't need to go to the cow titties. Just consume the plant milk. And the last one is, well, before I get into the last one, some people don't even like to eat breakfast, and I know people who just have like a large lunch and like a large dinner, and that suits them. And if that's for you, then glass of water, lemonade or something. Lemonade for breakfast, and then like you hit your lunch and dinner. But the last suggestion I would say is some people around the world would just have things like rice and vegetables, or like the traditional sort of meal like rice and vegetables. Don't be afraid to eat like rice or potatoes and vegetables in the morning. There are people who are like, you eat that, they're like, you can't eat that in the morning time. It's like, no, there's the cultures around the world who still eat foods like that, like first thing in the morning. So don't be afraid to eat that. So those would be my 3 suggestions. Have your oatmeal and berries, have a smoothie, or have your run-of-the-mill cereal with some like plant milk. Stay away from the cow titties. And if you want recipe ideas, I will leave a link in the description section of where you can go to get a copy of my ebook, Plant-Based to the Face. You know, over 40 low-fat vegan recipes that have helped me overcome like skin issues, help me stay lean, keep me fit for walking like 10 miles a day, doing yoga, etc. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe, share this video to help out your homies who are looking breakfast ideas. Peace, love, and veganism. I'm out.